Today's video is going to be another addition to our series that is about the differences between the IELTS and the CELPIP tests. Today we are going to be focusing on the speaking module of both tests. Now let's start the video. In the IELTS test, the speaking can either be in person or it can be a video conference. On the other hand, in the CELPIP test, the speaking happens on a computer and your audio is recorded. Now let's discuss the other differences. In the IELTS test, speaking takes about 11 to 15 minutes in the actual test. In the CELPIP test, between 15 to 20 minutes. There are total 3 parts in the IELTS test. In the first part, you are asked some introductory questions about your personal preferences, your likes and dislikes. In the second part, you are given a topic which is called a cue card, where you are supposed to speak for 2 minutes. In the third part, you are asked questions related to the cue card that you have spoken about, and it is also called the discussion round of the speaking. Now let me show you the example of the IELTS speaking. Here you can see there is first part where you will talk about yourself and your personal preferences. In the second part, you will be given a topic like this where you will be speaking continuously for 2 minutes. In the third part, you will be asked some questions about the topic that you have spoken about, or you can be asked some abstract and general questions about country and people. On the other hand, in the CELPIP test, there are totally 8 parts. In the first part, you are supposed to give an advice. In the second part, you are supposed to talk about a personal experience. The second part of the CELPIP speaking is similar to the second part of the IELTS speaking. It is more like a cue card only. In the third part, you are given a scene. There you will get an image and you are supposed to describe what is happening in that image. Then you will get the same image and you are supposed to talk about what will happen next in this image, and you are supposed to predict those things. In the fifth part, you will be given a comparing and persuading task where you are supposed to compare between 2 choices, and then you are going to convince someone to go for your choice. Sixth part will be about choosing between difficult situations. There will be 2 situations and you will be picking one. In the 7th part, you will be expressing your opinion about a certain topic. And in the last part, you will be given an unusual situation. Now that you have familiarized yourself with the speaking module in both tests, I would like to show you the example here. In the first task, you get 30 seconds and you are supposed to speak for 90 seconds. And the first task is about giving advice. The preparation time is prepared on the screen, and as soon as your time is up, you are supposed to speak on it, and there will be a recording bar on the screen. This is the second task example. The second task will be like this. This is the example of the third task, describing the scene. Now in the fourth part, you get the same image and you are supposed to make predictions. This is the fifth task. The fifth task comes in 2 parts. First is comparing and then persuading. In the fifth task, you are going to compare 2 choices and then pick one, and then you go next. And then you are supposed to persuade someone so that you can prove your choice is the right one. In the 6th part, you are going to deal with a difficult situation. In the 6th task, you will be dealing with a difficult situation. Again, you will have 2 choices here. In the 7th part, you are going to get a situation and then you are going to express your opinion. This is the last part of the speaking. You will get an unusual situation and you will be speaking about this for at least 1 minute. This is what the CELPIP speaking looks like. I hope this video was useful to you. I'll be coming up soon with another video.